Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to test my Creality Falcon A1 laser machine with every material I could think of: fabric, leather, acrylic, denim, plywood. I have a long list of projects I want to make with the laser machine, and I'm finally getting my hands on it. We will be preparing some gifts and home items, and then I also invited my friend Noor to test if we could make some projects for her small business. So, either you're a homely crafter like me or looking for ideas to improve your small business, I hope you stay and enjoy this video. The first project I want to make is with this all-leather sewing box. I would like to embellish it and personalize it. It's already in a terrible state, so with a bit of luck at least it will look more interesting. Before engraving this, I want to test the machine with this scrap leather we have from Eneco's drums. Creality gifted me this honeycomb to protect the base of the laser machine, and I'm so grateful. This will extend the life of my machine. It was out of stock for a while, but now it's available again, so I will link the link in the description in case you need one. The conclusion for this material is that if it's black and doesn't have any lighter material inside, the engraving won't show much, but it should work on brown leather. Now that we've done some testing, I want to engrave my logo to the top of the sewing box to make it truly unique. I uploaded the file in SVG format, and now it's just a matter of choosing the right position and engraving intensity. Since the lid is quite tall, I had to remove the honeycomb and raise the laser module before starting. Unfortunately, I think I accidentally uncalibrated the machine when I adjusted the laser module, so the engraving didn't quite match the reference image. A total beginner mistake. It will probably bother me for a while, but it could have been much worse. At least the engraving is still centered and contained within the lid. Aside from this, the engraving looks amazing on brown leather. The next project might sound a little silly, but I couldn't resist. I came across this video and instantly thought, I have to try this with my machine. The first step was learning how to prepare a photo for engraving, then doing a few tests on the material I plan to use. I feel like a kid on experiment day. This was so fun, and it can be made with other materials I can find in nature like stones or wood. If you've been around my channel for a while, you already know how much I love sewing and playing with scrap fabrics. So, of course, I had to see how well this laser can cut fabric. For the test, I'm making decorative patches to personalize some clothes, and also knee and elbow patches for the toddlers in my life. Now that we've tested all these different materials, I want to turn back to the basics and make some cutting and engraving in plywood. This is plywood from the Creality store, and I love how it's perfectly sized and ready to use. It even has a QR code you can scan so the machine automatically sets the ideal parameters. We've got a few babies arriving in the family and friends this year, and I should start preparing the gifts. It's been so much fun testing all these materials. I can't wait for my friend Noor to come over so we can run more tests, this time with a business-minded approach. Hopefully, I have more experience now. Hello, it's a new day and I'm here with my friend Noor, ready to dive into some planning, designing and testing, all with the goal of creating useful items and products for her business. She started a little cute workshop 2 years ago and she's ready to upgrade and explore selling some items. I'm looking forward to helping her nurture and grow her project. We're starting with the very first thing you see when you walk into her shop, the sign on the door. Right now she uses a cute cardboard sign to show whether she's in or out, but we thought a plywood version would be much more durable and give a more professional touch. To help her keep everything organized, we started by making some utility labels engraved on foam. I really like how Creality's software lets you design directly in the program canvas. It makes quick projects like this so much faster. Now, she and her clients will be able to find everything on the shelves much more easily. With some practical items done already, we moved on to thinking about products she could actually sell in her store. She always wears cute jewelry and her clients often compliment her on it, so it felt natural to create a jewelry collection designed by her. We tested different shapes and designs on acrylic and wood, filling a whole sheet to see which ones had the most potential as best sellers. These are the ones we like the most. And that's as far as we got in just one meeting. For our next sessions, we are planning to create personalized notebooks and membership cards for her clients. So there's still a lot of fun ideas to explore. If you'd like to know more about this laser machine and see how I used it to organize my sewing supplies, you can watch this video next. Thank you for watching. Adeu!